What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to add friends on Snapchat PC. So this one is pretty easy. You just need to follow my steps and you pretty much can do it. So first of all, you cannot add friends on Snapchat PC because on Snapchat PC, it's on website. There's no currently application available on laptop or PC. So you just need to use a Android emulator to use Android version of Snapchat on PC. So I recommended that you use BlueStacks 5 right here, as you can see on my screen. And after you download it, there will already a Play Store available right here. Just click that, and you will need to log into your Google account. Any Google account will work. So let's just log in my Google account, and after logging in, click not now. Okay, just authorize this one. Click accept. And after logging to your Google account, you can now download Snapchat. Just search Snapchat and install it. Wait until it's done installing. And after it's done, just open it. And it will open the Android version of Snapchat to your emulator. So you just need to log into your account. And after logging into your account, that's it. You can now add friends the way you add friends on Snapchat mobile version. So go to your profile in the top left corner, and under your profile, you can see add friends and add many people as you like. That's it. That's it. That's how you add friends on Snapchat PC. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.